Welcome to the part 3 of this design masterclass. Welcome. Hope you have been practicing from the last lesson we did using the laptop. Today is designing with the phone. I'm going to be showing you how you can use your phone to create an amazing design, still using Canva and remove.bg. Now, I hope you have downloaded all your apps into your Android phone or iPhones, depending on what you are using. Unlike in the system where you don't need to download any app, but just go into your search engine and type Canva or remove.bg. So please ensure you have all the apps before we start. So if you have downloaded it, you have something like this. This is the first one you will have. This is your what? Remove background. Remove background. Then you also have this, which is your what? Your Canva. This is your Canva app. Then the other apps we mentioned will not be needed in this design. These two are the two major apps that we will need. So you can exploit those other ones on your own, or you go for a course to know how to use them, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it with your phone. All right. So the first thing I want to do is to use remove.com to remove every unwanted things in the pictures or images that I'm going to be importing into my design environment, right? So I want to edit the things I don't want from it. For instance, let me go to my gallery and show you. One of the pictures I want to use is this picture. This is one of the pictures I want to use. And when you look at this picture, you see that the background is not looking good. So I will want to use a very good background for this. So I will work on this so that I will remove the background and use the kind of background that suits my design. So to do this, the first thing I will do is to open my remove background. That is the first thing I will do. So remove background is opening. So for those of you, I already have an account. That's why you can see it landed me here. For those of you who are going to be using it for the first time, when you download it, if you click on it to open, they will ask you to create an account. And they will ask you to create an account with your Google account, with your Facebook account, or you should type your email. Anyone they ask you, just fill in the details and create the account. I already have an account, that's why as I open it, just open directly, right? So this is the first thing I will do, is to erase the background of the picture that I don't want, so that I can take it to my design environment and put the background I want, right? So I'm opening this environment. So as I click on it, let me cancel for as I click on this is what I'm clicking on, this upload images. I click on it, it now gave me option camera. Do I want to take a direct camera image, photograph, and remove the background, or I want to choose from my gallery or from my photos? I will select choose from my gallery. So for my gallery, I will go to Bluetooth, and in Bluetooth I will select this picture. You can see the picture. Then I will check this tick. You see where they write good up after your cancel your choose image, there is tick by my right hand side. So I will select it. So it's now loading in the remove background, right? So it has loaded. You see, immediately it loaded, it just erased the background. The background is off now. Then I will come to this place where they say download. Don't click this download HD, just the normal download. I will click on it to download the background back. So you can see the background is downloading. So the background is downloading. When it downloads, it will show me how it looks. Good, the background has downloaded. So this is the background that I will be using to do my work. So hope we get this one. Good. I go back, then I can close this image that I've just imported by cancelling this place where you see they put S there. Just click on it, then you will cancel the image that you have just removed its background, so that the environment will be clear for you to also import another image and cancel. So close. It has closed. Can you see it now? Then I also want to import another image and remove the background. These are images I'm going to be using in the environment to work, right? So I will use this image. Then I'll also say remove background. You can see it has removed the background of this one too. Then I will go to download and download the image downloaded, right? You can see it. Good. So I've downloaded 2 images. So these are the 2 images I'll be using. All right, so the next thing I will now do is to open my design app. And for this course, I told us that the one I will majorly centered on is your Canva. The other 3 that I mentioned, you can go and explore those ones on your own. So I will open my Canva design platform. Oh, they say I'm offline. Okay, so let me on my data. So I'm opening the Canva now and it's loading. Good, it has loaded. Now I have already created an account with Canva. That's why it opened to this place. The other video for that I use laptop to record showed how you are going to open Canva by creating an account. I took us step by step how you could create an account and then come into this particular dashboard, this platform where I am now. So you can see all my previous design. Everything you see here are designs that I've done before now, right? All the design I've done on different platform. So the element in the platform, I also explain it in that particular design. So you can, if you don't understand this particular one, try to watch the video recording with the laptop first. After you have watched that, then when you are done, you can now come back to this phone recording, because phone recording is like part 2 of the practical section, right? This is the part 2 of the practical section. So I've done the first practical section with laptop. This is the second part of the practical section. So remember, you have to have an idea of what you want to design. So for this morning, I want to design something that I will post on my WhatsApp status. Or is it WhatsApp? Okay. Let me do Instagram status. I want to post something on Instagram read. So I'll write Instagram posts. So I will get different templates. Then out of the template, I will just pick one and start customizing. Now you can see what happened here. Look at this place. This is a blank template. I can pick this blank one and bring in whatever I want to bring in and work on it. Or I can pick the one that there is already element on them and then use those ones to work, right? So let me pick a blank one, because I already have the background I want to use. So let me pick a blank one. So I click on the blank template and it is loading on a fresh page. So you can see it loading. Once it loaded, I will now go and import the tools I'll be using for the work. This is a blank template now, right? So before I start using this, let me upload those pictures I edited in a remove background. Those pictures I remove their background. Let me go and pick them and import them into this environment. So this is, where's the picture? This is one of the picture. This is another one. Then I want to use this background, or let me try this too. So I've selected the pictures I want. Then you see up here, you see this open, this place open. I'll click on it so that it will load. So it's loading. You can see the pictures has loaded. Look at the 4 pictures here, right? They are all loading. Good. They have all loaded, right? So the first thing I will do is to click on the background I want. So I've clicked, you can see the background has already entered. Can you see it? Look at the background. This is the background I imported and I clicked on it. So it has entered the environment I'm designing. Then the next thing I want to do is to bring in my image. So I'll bring in this image. This is the image I want to use. I'll bring it in. Let me zoom it so that it can be big. I brought in my image, right? Then let me see what is following this image like this. Okay, so my image is in now. Then the next thing I will do is to type a message, and I want to type a message. So I will go to text. Look at text here. Then I'll pick heading. I want to type a message. So I already have a message I will type. I told many of you to send me the messages you want to be using for your promo. I told you to send it. So if you have sent it, I will help you edit it and you will now use it to do your work. So I'm typing my message now. You will make it, right? You will make it. So let me put it the way I want it to be. Okay, let me even choose color for it so that you can be seeing what I'm doing. So let me choose front. Remember what we said in the theory part, that when you are using front, you don't use more than 1 to 3 fronts in every design. If you remember the 5 principles of design that we mentioned, so one of them recommend how many fronts you can have in a particular design. So take note of that anytime you are designing. Let me use this one. Spot word, that is the front I've just selected. So good. Then I'll close the front. Then I want to put color. Remember, my company have color. I have color which is gold, white, and blue. So let me use white to write. I'll use white to write on blue background. Good. What do I want to select now? Transition, no, don't want to put any transition. Front, I've done front, just go. Color, format, spacing, effect, animation, position. Okay, so here I want to put I want this thing to come down. I want it to come down. Good. So duplicate and come down. Okay. Then the next one, I'm trying to edit the text in such a way that it will suit what I'm doing. So I hope we are seeing what I'm doing now. I'm trying to edit the text. So this text is too big. So I use only one front for all the three texts. So simple. This is what I've just done. So now I'm done. Right? So I want to make this text to make sure that it fills the whole page. Remember, it's an Instagram post I'm doing. Good. Okay, so let me increase this font size and see. The front size here is 63.2. Let me increase a bit. Good. Good. So now you can see what I've done. You can see this. Let me add one more sentence to this. Okay. This year. Okay, so we are good. Can you see this design? Isn't it looking beautiful? So I've just finished doing one design now. So I will use this to just sandwich in between my promotion and whatever I'm doing that I want. So once you are done, then you come to this icon, this one. You can see it, this icon you see me touching up here, and then you click on download. The image will now be downloaded into your gallery. So you can see the image is downloading. So it has downloaded. It's now asking me share with who do I want to share. I'm not sharing with anybody. Leave it inside the gallery. So I'm done, right? I'm done. So I also want to design something else. So let me go to template, design, and pick. What will I pick now? Let me pick something that is free, and then I will use it to design something for the CAC promotion. I want something simple. Okay, let me pick this. Add to a new page. Yes, add it to a new page. So I'm here now, right? Let me remove this. Good. Then I will change this one to my undo. I'll change this to good. I'm replacing it with my own name. So let me place it where I want it to be up here. Good. Then the next thing I want to do is delete this. I want to select, I'll go to my gallery and select CAC logo image. So I'm looking for CAC logo, which I know I have uploaded here before. Good, see it here. So bring it, put it here. I'll put the CAC logo. Then the next thing, I want to import this picture too. This. Then I will also put it here. I will delete this. So good. Before you apply where you apply for that visa. Then I'll choose a subtitle. Before you apply visa, ensure ensure you ensure your business business name is active. Okay, so I'm done. This is how I want this to be. Let me increase this small. Good. So I've downloaded it. So you have watched me created design, two design with phone, and then I also created two design in the first demo with laptop. I created two design. This one too, I created two designs. So it's now left for you to go and explore. Go and explore. Go and explore. Canva is your friend. Go and explore. So, bye bye. Let me start seeing you sending in your designs. All right. Bye.